If your phone isn't from Sky Mobile, you might need to contact your old provider to unlock it. To activate your SIM, go to sky.com/sim and sign in. If you need to sign up, go to sky.com/sign-up. Choose Activate your SIM. If you want a new Sky Mobile number, choose Don't have a pack or stack. Put in the activation code from inside your SIM pack. Press Activate SIM and put your new SIM in your phone. It will be activated in a few minutes and you'll get a text when it's ready. If you want to keep your number, text PACK to 65075. Or if you want to cancel your old number and have a new Sky Mobile number, text STACK to 75075. Choose Activate with a pack or stack. Put in your Sky activation code, your pack and the number you're keeping, or stack and the number you want to cancel. Choose Confirm and put your new SIM in your phone. It will be activated in a few minutes and you'll get a text when it's ready with your new number. If you're keeping your number, you'll get a text with your temporary one and you'll get another text when it's transferred over. For more help, go to sky.com/mobile setup.